At 5:41 p.m., the sky over Joplin asked a question no one could answer. What happens when the wind decides to take everything? All afternoon, the air felt wrong. Heavy, electric, clouds stacked like bruises on the horizon, while sirens practiced their warning songs and then fell silent again. People checked the weather, shrugged, finished errands. A high school graduation ceremony was just letting out. Dinner plans were forming. Life was still intact, right up until the sky folded in on itself. From the west, a shape emerged that didn't look real. A wedge of darkness, wider than the roads it crossed, swallowing light as it moved. Windows rattled, trees leaned, and then the sound arrived, not a roar, but a pressure, like the atmosphere itself taking a breath it would never release. In seconds, the tornado was inside the city, not skipping, not dancing, grinding forward with deliberate force. Entire blocks vanished behind a curtain of debris. Hospitals lost walls, schools lost roofs, familiar streets dissolved into splinters and dust. Inside homes, people pressed into bathtubs and closets, counting heartbeats, praying the walls remembered how to stand. Here's the terrifying truth. There was no single safe place. This was an EF5, the strongest kind, its winds strong enough to peel asphalt and bend steel. The storm didn't just destroy buildings. It erased landmarks, directions, certainty itself. When the wind finally loosened its grip, Joplin didn't recognize its own reflection. Then came the quiet, not peace, absence. Sirens replaced by shouting, cell phones ringing with no one left to answer. Neighbors climbed out of rubble calling names into the dust, hoping sound alone could bring people back. Strangers became lifelines, hands passed water, shoulders became stretchers. The city breathed again, one person at a time. As night fell, the scale became clear. 158 lives gone, thousands of homes destroyed. A mile-wide scar cut straight through the heart of town, and yet something else appeared in the wreckage. Resolve, candlelight vigils, volunteers arriving before dawn, a promise spoken without words. We are still here. Joplin rebuilt not because it forgot, but because it remembered. Every brick laid carried a name. Every new wall stood in quiet defiance of that question the sky once asked. Because in the end, the storm revealed something stronger than wind: human will, holding fast when everything else is torn away. If this story moved you, please like, share, and subscribe, and tell us in the comments how stories like this should be remembered.